In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Outlook 365. By the end, you'll be confident setting up a clear professional invite that lands on everyone's calendar at the right time. First, open your calendar. In the Outlook 365 desktop app, click the calendar icon in the left navigation pane. In a web browser, go to Outlook on the web and switch to the calendar view. This puts you in the right place to see your schedule and any existing commitments so you don't accidentally double book yourself. Next, create a new event. Look for the New Event or New Meeting button typically at the top left. Clicking this opens a fresh meeting window. If you prefer, you can also click a specific time slot on the calendar to start with that date and time already filled in. Either way, you are now ready to add the important details. Start with a clear title. Keep it descriptive so attendees immediately understand the purpose, something like budget review. Then add your attendees. In the Invite Attendees or to field, type names or email addresses. Mark people as required if their presence is essential, and optional if they're helpful but not mandatory. This helps everyone prioritize their attendance. You can also add a location if you are meeting in person and include a short agenda or context in the description box so people know what to prepare. Now set the time. Choose a start and end date and time that match the duration you need. If your team is spread across regions, double-check the time zone to avoid confusion. A concise meeting with a focused agenda is usually easier to schedule and attend, so set the duration thoughtfully. Before you send, use the Scheduling Assistant. This view shows each attendee's free and busy times so you can find a slot that works for most people. If you see conflicts, try adjusting the start time or trimming the length. Look for the first stretch where everyone is free or where required attendees are available, and select that slot. This extra minute saves a lot of back and forth later. When everything looks good, click Send to dispatch the invitation. Attendees will receive the invite, respond with their availability, and your event will appear on their calendars. You can always open the meeting later to refine the agenda or adjust details. If you make changes, send an update so everyone stays in sync. That's it. Your meeting is scheduled in Outlook 365. Thanks for watching.